Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing. You must use an administrator account and lower UAC prompts only if necessary. Create a system restore point now, then export the registry branch you plan to reset to A. Reg file so you can restore it later. Once done, copy that. Reg file to an external drive and close all running applications to prevent in-use key conflicts. This minimizes data loss and ensures you can revert quickly if anything goes wrong. Open Regedit as administrator and navigate to the specific key you intend to default. If a key is corrupted, either rename it by appending old or export and then delete it so Windows can recreate defaults, alternatively import a clean reg file you prepared. For multiple keys or automation, use reg, exe or PowerShell import module and scripts to apply defaults and then fix permissions using the Security tab. This ensures services and apps can read the restored values. After making changes, restart the specific service or reboot Windows so the system loads the defaulted keys. Then verify the application or system behavior. If settings aren't applied, recheck and reapply correct ACL permissions and re-import your reg backup if necessary. If the system fails to boot or behaves oddly, boot into safe mode or the Windows recovery environment and use system restore or your exported reg file to recover. This single troubleshooting step typically resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.